In this question, a particle moves along the curve y is equal to x to the power 3 by 2 in the first quadrant in such a way that its distance from the origin increases at the rate of 11 units per second. The value of dx by dt when x is equal to 3 is what? Here it is given that y is equal to x to the power 3 by 2. And also the distance from the origin is d is equal to square root of x square plus y square square root. This is equal to x square plus y square is x cube square root. Now, it is given that this distance increases at a rate of 11 units per second. That is, d of d, let it be dx, d of dx upon dt is equal to, differentiating this expression we get, this is equal to d by dt of x into square root of 1 plus x equal to dx upon dt 1 plus x square root plus half x into 1 upon 1 plus x square root brackets. It is given that this is equal to 11 plus 11 plus 11 units per second. This gives dx by dt is equal to 11 upon 1 plus x square root plus x by 2 into 1 plus x square root. When x is equal to 3, dx by dt upon dt x is equal to 3 is equal to 11 upon 1 plus 3 square root plus 3 upon 2 times 1 plus 3 square root equal to 11 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 into 2 equal to 44 upon 11 equal to 4. 4 units per second. So our answer is 4.